Hi friends, this video shows how to fix this error network connection lost. Network connection is lost. Please check your internet connection. So I will show you how we can fix this error. Let me select dismiss. Then here we need to select settings from the right side. Select the settings icon. Then go to network. You can see Wi-Fi is off. That is a one reason. So let me turn on Wi-Fi. Press OK or select button on the remote. Okay, now Wi-Fi is on. So next we need to make sure that we have connected to a Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot which has internet. You can see it's showing one Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot here, FTTH DAA1. So that is the name of the mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi router. So let me select it. So here I need to enter the password to connect to that Wi-Fi network. Let me enter the password here. Okay, I have entered the password. Let me connect. So now it's trying to connect with password which I entered. Okay, connected. It's connected to that Wi-Fi network which has internet. Let me go to home screen. See, now it's working. So this is very simple. Just make sure that Wi-Fi is on and connected to a Wi-Fi network which has internet. So that way we can fix this error. Home is currently unavailable. Okay.